Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have another package from Aliexpress, which I ordered, and this time it's a shirt. It's a band shirt with a design that I sadly missed when they were in town. I was kind of late for the show, and that was sold out already, and I was kind of excited to see this somewhere. Otherwise, I would have bought it from the band, obviously, to support them, but online you find it on eBay and stuff for way too much money, which is ridiculous. So that's why I kinda went and decided to buy it on AliExpress for 10 bucks. Um, it's 100% cotton, and as you can see, it's from the band Motionless In White, and the print looks not bad at all. I mean, you can see it is like a sticker-ish, like one piece that they did put on here, but color-wise, it's clean. We got no nicely or uneven cuts and stuff. It's medium, 100% cotton, as I said. And for design-wise, let's see if we can fit it all on here. We got Haunter from Pokemon, which is kind of funny, and that's why I thought it was cool, because this shirt or the song is called "This Place Is Haunted." Um, yeah, here you can see it's like kind of just put on there, but it's not bad. I can't peel it off for sure. So I mean, I've seen worse definitely. Um, yeah, color-wise definitely good. Everything is nice and sharp. Nothing is like blurry or stuff. And yeah, just love that design. It's so cool. Um, this place is haunted, as I said, and yeah, I think the actual print is bigger on the normal shirt. I mean, there's a lot of room in the bottom. Um, Not sure if that's something I will mind, but for now, I think it's cool, and I'd love to see the shirt. Everything else feels pretty nice. I mean, it feels like it's a little thicker than your average band shirt, but not necessarily a bad thing, depending where you're gonna wear it. I mean, if it's a really warm show, definitely that's gonna be sucky, but otherwise, yeah, let's throw it on. So here we are. This is what it looks like. As you can see, as I said, we got a nice print. Everything is sharp, but there's a lot of room on the shirt. I think it should be a little bigger, at least at the bottom for sure. But yeah, as long as you don't mind that, you can definitely pick up a good deal here for like 10 bucks. You get a band shirt with a sold out print and definitely a cool look to it. Fit wise, it feels good on the skin. Okay, here we have it a little zoomed in so you can actually see what's going on. But yeah, it feels good on the skin. Um, Fits well. The size is the right size, like M fits perfectly here. I mean, even might even be a little too big, but it's fine for a venture, I think. And yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. So take care. Until the next time, my name is Badger. I'm out, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.